Hi guys, welcome to another episode of our store. We are in this beautiful house that is selling for 85 million naira, located in Aja, Lagos State. Let's go inside and see what this house has to offer. Coming from the outside, we have the entrance door that is a wooden door. It is a big wooden door. So this leads to the living room. Welcome to the living room of the You can change the chandelier if you want to, and the POP is well fitted. There is a space for the AC over the space. We have the visitors toilet inside the living room. This is the toilet. The guest toilets come with a WC and a zinc just to wash hand. It has a wooden door as well and a black handle. And there's another AC space that you can fit in your AC. There's another one there just in case you want to have two ACs inside this living room. I've had another window just for natural lighting to come into the house and enough of ventilation for the space. Over here we have like the sockets here and there's another socket here. So you might decide to have your TV console here or over there. Let's go inside the kitchen area of this house. And I love the design that you can see through the kitchen from the outside. It has a glass and it has the wooden effect here. This kitchen comes with oven and a microwave, and it has a smoke extractor, and it comes with 5-face burner over here. There's a lot of storage here. There's a kitchen cabinet and all of that, and we have a space for if you want to have like a 2-door fridge. The fridge can comfortably fit into this space over here. There is another door that leads to the outside of this kitchen. So this outside, there's a tap here, and this door leads to the outside. If you don't want someone that is cooking to come to the inside before getting to the kitchen, you can just tell the person to come through the back door. So let's go back inside the house. Come, guys. This is the first room. Let's go in. Welcome to the first room here. It comes with the wardrobe. There's a wardrobe here. There's 2 windows in this house, in this room, and this one leads to the bathroom. Welcome to the family lounge. There is an AC spot and it comes with a beautiful chandelier, a wall socket, a black wall socket. Here we have about how many wall sockets? Okay, we have like 3 wall sockets in this place. And let's go into the second room. Okay, this is the second room. This place is spacious. It comes with an AC spot in that side with a window for ventilation and the natural lighting. It comes with a wardrobe for your clothes. Exactly. Let's go into the third room of this house. Remember guys, this house is a 4-bedroom. So this is the third room. Welcome to the third room. This place has 2 windows and a wardrobe plus the bathroom. And there's sockets. Wall socket, that's 3 wall sockets. Let's check out the bathroom. There is a shower head in this place, a water heater. We have the water heater, we have the WC and the shower head. It's a black shower head as well. I love the color in this place.
I love them.
Yeah, I love the color thing. Thank you, my videographer, guys. That's my sister behind the camera.
Yeah.
So there's like 2 lighting over in this room. So let's go into the master bedroom. That's the place that makes me happy. So yeah. Are you ready to go into the master bedroom? Come on! Welcome to the master bedroom. This place is huge. I don't know, but in Lagos, we're going to have like, let's say like 2-bedroom apartments in this place. I'm not joking. So welcome to the master bedroom. You can't pay 85million and be sleeping inside 24. It's not possible. So this place comes with this big, spacious master bedroom. And the lighting here is crazy because it has a lot of windows. It has about 4 windows. No, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 windows in this room. And there is a little thing going on here that you can store something here. I don't know, maybe shoes or perfume, anything you want to put here. You can even have your TV. So there is this structural POP going on this ceiling, and it's so beautiful. And this light is giving everything it's supposed to give. So the master bedroom comes with this walk-in closet and with a lot of storage. Yeah. So let's go. Let's see. Let's check out the bathroom. So we have the shower head, we have the jacuzzi, and we have the vanity mirror in this place. A little storage. The bathroom here comes with a jacuzzi and the shower head. We have the options of shower head in this place with a black handle, and it comes with this small vanity mirror and a little storage inside here. There's a mirror. The master bedroom leads to the balcony outside. So this is the balcony. This is the balcony over here. Space and with a glass and steel, a black glass and steel. There's the entrance door.